Welcome back to Product Critique, your go-to channel for in-depth reviews on the latest gear.
Today, we're diving into the world of cycling with a closer look at what many consider to be the best in its class, the SRAM NX Eagle Fat Bike Crankset. This crankset is engineered for excellence, boasting a plethora of features that cater to the needs of both casual riders and seasoned cyclists alike.
First off, let's talk compatibility.
The SRAM NX Eagle is fat bike compatible, ensuring it seamlessly integrates with a variety of setups.
Whether you're hitting the trails or cruising through urban streets, this crankset has you covered. Now, let's delve into the construction.
Crafted from high-quality 6000 series forged aluminum, these arms are not only lightweight but also incredibly durable.
Paired with the dub spindle interface, you're guaranteed a smooth and reliable ride every time. Speaking of reliability, the SRAM NX Eagle comes equipped with SRAM's X-Sync 2 chainrings.
These precision-engineered components ensure optimal chain retention, even in the most demanding conditions.
Plus, with the included direct mount X-Sync 2 steel chainring, you're ready to tackle any terrain with confidence. Now, you might be wondering, what sets this crankset apart from the competition? Well, aside from its impeccable build quality, the SRAM NX Eagle is designed to be 11 and 12 speed compatible, providing versatility and future-proofing for your cycling setup. In conclusion, if you're in the market for a top-of-the-line crankset that delivers on both performance and durability, look no further than the SRAM NX Eagle Fat Bike Crankset. With its fat bike compatibility, precision-engineered components, and unmatched reliability, it's easy to see why this is considered the best in its class. That's all for today's review.
Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more in-depth product critiques.
Until next time, ride on!